Hi guys, it's 55771 here. Today's video, before I get into today's video, I do have a new stand now for my camera. So I don't know if you prefer it like this, as looking down, you know, like that, or if you prefer it more straight, like that. But please let me know in the comments. Any feedback will be appreciated. But this video is, I have 6 boxes of Japanese, what do you call this, Hail Blizzard and Psychic Drive, I think it is. I have 3 boxes of each, which have just come, which is awesome. I'm going to keep 2 sealed, 1 of each, so I'll take this bottom one, I'll keep sealed, and I'll take this middle one. Right, but this video I shall be opening, I think I'll open Hail Blizzard first. I'll open 1 box in 1 part, so there'll be 4 parts altogether. And I'll just get straight into it. I may alter the camera, so we'll just see how it goes. And I've of course got my trusty scissors. Let's cut this. I have watched a lot of people open this on YouTube already, which I'm absolutely loving. The set, I think it really reminds me of the first generation. So there was a lot of first generation Pokemon on this, which is awesome. I can't even open it. Right, here we go. 20 packs, 5 cards in each pack. Should be awesome. I do know there is 4 shinings in this set, which are like uber hard to pull. I think I heard SMG Quest there was 1 in 8 boxes, so that's well rare. Right, but I will open all 20 packs in this part. I do have a theory, because I did find out the ratios in the red collection. It was the 4th pack in the box and the 16th. If either of them packs had the full art, so that's the only places where you can get a full art in the red collection. You get it in no other parts, so I'm going to just quickly do this. I think it was the 4th. Yeah, it was the 4th pack, and then the 16th. So I'll take 4, 1, 2. Oh, there's 2 there. So it was the 4th pack. Right, so I'm going to open them 2 first, see what happens. Right, I will use scissors because it'll take me forever to open these if I didn't use scissors. Let's open this from the bottom, make sure I don't cut nothing. I'm just trying to sort this camera angle out at the same time. Right, I'm not really sure, I'm not 100% on names, but I will just go over them. I have no idea what that is. I can't remember. Pidove, I know that one. Pretty sweet. Stantler, I think. It's awesome. Really nice artwork on this set. And a Bronzong. Right, so there's no Ultra in there. Or Shining even. I'll just put these aside. Now this was the 16th pack, I reckon. I might get them the wrong way around, but we'll see. Because when I opened my 4 red collection boxes, I did pull 3 full art out of 4 boxes, and that's how I managed to work out what the packs, where were the full arts. But we've got a Ralts. It's cool, like artwork, cool. Unpheasant, I think. Don't quote me on that. I have no idea what that's called. Raichu, awesome looking Raichu. Really nice looking Raichu, love that. And a double colourless energy. Right, so that theory is out the window. I'll see what... I believe, I was looking on PokeDeach as well. The shinings didn't look any sort of hollow. They didn't have any sort of hollow on the card. Now I don't know if that's right or it might be just my eyes, but I'm guessing that they've got no, they're just like a standard card apart from the Pokemon colours. Right, we've got a mad, I have no idea what that is, Jigglypuff, which is awesome. Love the artwork on that. Awesome stuff. I have no idea what that is, I haven't even seen it before. It's pretty cool. A Lapras, which is awesome. Cool stuff. No idea. I'm really sorry about I don't know the game names, guys. But I will learn. Try and get this done quickly as possible. Swap them in there. Right. No idea. Looks awesome though. Pretty sweet. Growlithe, yes, awesome card. Epic artwork. A Dealing, nice. I like the artwork on there as well. Looks like it's been painted. It's cool. My first holo is a Zapdos, which is epic. I love the artwork on that card. Just check out the focus. Spot on. Nice first edition symbol, sorry about the glare. Cool. And black and white 3. Really love this camera. Awesome artwork. And Hippowdon, which is awesome. Cool. Nice artwork. Right. Right, I'm taking far too long. There we are. Absolutely love the EXs and the full arts in this set. I think some of the best artwork ever. Really cool. Riolo. I have no idea, but I like the little girl in the background. Makes the picture look cool. Really nice card. Darumaka. And an Arcanine. Sweet. I didn't realise he was in this set. Obviously, now I do, because it was a Growlithe. But that is awesome. I would absolutely love it. Cool stuff. Just like it's got a beast attack as well, 100 damage. Awesome card. And a trainer. Cool. Yeah, so I've just seen on the pack there, there's commons. See that focus. Commons, uncommons, rares, and then the super rares. I'm guessing the shinings are the super rares. Oh wait, I'll just check these holos. So the holos are rares, and the full arts must be super rares, and the EX is super rares, and then the shinings must be ultras. Yes, Pikachu's back. Cool. Awesome artwork. I love that artwork. So bright. I see something sexy too. Sneasel, I think. Yep. Cool. Pidove. And I have no idea what that guy's called. I'll zoom that out a bit. But absolutely awesome artwork. Reminds me a lot of the primes, the way the artwork's done, like the Pokemon's coming out of the actual picture frame. But still pretty cool. Awesome artwork. Good stuff. And then obviously one of them mushroom things. I believe you're supposed to get 2 EXs in a box, with possible of getting a full art or a shiny. But I'm not sure if that varies. See if you only get 1 EX, you might be in chance for a full art or shining. But we'll see. Darumaka. Another mushroom guy thing. I think, is that Sigalith? Or it might be this. I'm not sure. But it's awesome artwork. Cool holo. I have no idea what that's supposed to be. Looks a bit strange. Right, I'm taking far too long. We're on 10 minutes, I'm not even halfway yet. Right, we have our routes. Cool. Semi-seer, I reckon. I might be wrong. Another Growlithe, awesome. I have no idea. That looks pretty cool. And Weavile, nice. That's awesome artwork. I love the artwork on that. Cool stuff. Right. I have no idea. Wigglytuff, nice. Cool. Another Rilo. And a Lucario, nice. That's awesome, that card. He looks well angry. Pretty cool. Semi-Sage. Or a Semi-Seer. I think it's Semi-Seer. And then the other one's Semi... Oh, I'm forgetting. I have no idea. I'm not even going to guess anymore. Right, let's continue. So I'm waffling. I don't know what it is. Maybe because I haven't played the game enough, or the new name's just not sticking whatsoever. We have a Bronzong. Cool. I have no idea what that is. Another one of them guys. Cool. And a Regigigas level X EX. It's awesome artwork. I didn't realise he was in this set. Cool. Well, that's just absolutely epic artwork. I just love it. Sweet. And some sort of trainer card. Now I'm guessing I won't get a Shining or a full art now. I may get another EX. Depends if the box is kind of me or not. But we'll see. Also, I don't think nobody's pulled one yet. Not on YouTube, like recorded. Hippopotas. I know SMG Quest's pretty determined to be the first one. On Pheasant, I think. I have no idea. Another Lapras, awesome. And why on earth is he blue for? Isn't he supposed to be red? Why is he psychic too? That's a bit strange. Never mind. I'm sure somebody will point that out in the comments. Right, we have a Curlier. Is that Curlier? I have no idea. My head's just not working today, sorry guys. I think it's Curlier. I have no idea. That's awesome artwork, I love that. The dealing. That's nice, that's the first one of them. I think that's a bear tick or something like that. And another trainer card or supporter or whatever. We have Jigglypuff. Cool. I have no idea. That's nice. Cool. I love the colour blue as well. It's well nice. Good look at that hollow. Cool stuff. Another Stantler. How many packs we got left? We've got 2, 4, 6, 7 packs. This has gone way too long, this video. I think I've just cut a card. Right, we've got a Pikachu. Weavile, no, Sneasel, sorry. Hippopotas. Another Zapdos, sweet, I'll be keeping that. Cool. And another Beartic. I will be keeping all my doubles in this set of hollows and things. So I think they're absolutely awesome, the artwork on the cards, the hollows. Right. Jigglypuff. Ralts, nice. Is that Lily Gant or I'm not sure. And I have no idea. Oh, that may be Unpheasant. I really don't know. Right, moving on. I should have my computer up here so I could flick through the cards like SMG Quiz did. Right. I think that's Petil or Petrol, I can't remember. Another bird. Double colourless, cool. And another Raichu, awesome. Great stuff. And 3 packs left, 4 packs left, sorry. This is nearly 15 minutes already, which is crazy. I've no idea. Ramzon, awesome. Oh my god. That is the Shining, it is hollow. That is absolutely epic, that. I don't know if you can see that, but it's, the hollow is like, it makes you like gaze into the centre. I don't know if, can you see that circle motion there? But that is awesome. And of course it's got like a psychic symbol there. That is absolutely awesome card. Oh wow. I see why they're so rare now, because they're absolutely epic. Look, them gold bits, it almost looks like really fine glitter, you know. They're also textured. I don't know if that picks out well on camera. Probably not. But absolutely awesome card. I'm so pleased I pulled this now. Cool. Because I haven't seen these on eBay yet, but I really don't know how much these will be going for. Considering a full art to go for about 30 to £40. I think I bought a Victini full art from Red Collection, and I think I paid about £40 for that. And if these are rare in the full arts, then maybe it's double the price. I don't know how much that's in dollars, but you're probably looking about $80 maybe more. Awesome. Another Growlithe, cool. Growlithe. And a Gardevoir. That's awesome card. Check that out. Cool. And another one of them guys. Please, if anybody knows, tell me why he's red. Tell me why he's like bluey green colour and a psychic, because he's normally a fire type. Strange. But the last 2 packs. I just hope I do get another one. But I think that look will be just out of this world, crazy. I really don't know who that is, if anybody knows. That's well strange. Hasn't even got any eyes. Cool. Right, last pack guys. What I'll do, I will upload this now. Today is the 27th today or the 28th? I think maybe. It is Wednesday, so I'm guessing it's the 27th. Darumaka. Wigglytuff. Daily. Hippowdon. And last card is a Semi-Sage, I think. Right, I will go over quickly what I pulled, the hollows. I'll leave the sexy Shining last. And I did pull 2 AXs as well, so which is awesome. Awesome sauce. Right, hollows are a Gardevoir. Cool. Zapdos. I have no idea. Lucario. Cool. Sigilyph. I think that's Sigilyph. Correct me if I'm wrong. Growlithe. Arcanine, sorry. Cool. Awesome artwork. Love that card. And another Zapdos, which I'll be keeping. And the 2 EXs I pulled. Let's pick these up carefully. I have no idea who that guy is. That looks epic. And a Regigigas EX. I'm so pleased that I pulled that card as well, that's shining on this camera. And I'm guessing this is the same as this guy. Yep, he is. But I do know there's an M-bar shining. And this is the shining. Awesome artwork. Cool stuff. Right guys, I will stop this video there. You have been watching my first box of Hail Blizzard, which is epic. Please like, comment and favourite and subscribe and do all the good stuff. And I'll see you guys in the next part. See you later.